Welcome to Minerva, Mortality in India Established Through Verbal Autopsies. Why do we need Minerva? Reliable statistics on the causes of death in the population are essential for setting priorities in the health sector. In India, where adequate medical facilities are not available, most people do not die in health facilities, so cause of death is unknown. Data based on the medical certification of cause of death is insufficient to represent the whole country accurately. However, the sample registration system is an important source of data on annual demographic indicators, including causes of death in India. It is based on a system of dual recording of deaths in fairly representative sample units spread all over the country. The field investigation consists of a continuous enumeration of deaths in selected sample units by part-time enumerators, who are generally Anganwadi workers and teachers. This is followed by an independent retrospective survey every 6 months by SRS supervisors to fill the verbal autopsy forms through the interview of caregivers. The information gathered through verbal autopsy forms needs to be coded by the physicians to ascertain the underlying cause of death. It is here that Minerva comes to play an important role. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, partnered with the Office of Registrar General of India to accomplish a common goal: reliable estimate of cause of death in India through Minerva. Who are we? The Minerva as a network comprises of AIIMS Technical Support Unit, network institutions, physician coders, and technical advisory group. AIIMS Technical Support Unit, located at AIIMS New Delhi, include faculty members and project staff. It closely liaises with Office of Registrar General of India in implementing the program and provides technical support. Presently, we have 25 reputed medical colleges across the country as partner institutes to ATSU in the Minerva network, and it is an ever-expanding process. Through Minerva Network, we provide introductory as well as refresher training to supervisors regarding the verbal autopsy. Physician coders are the heart of the Minerva Network. Technical advisory group includes experts in the field of epidemiology, clinical sciences, demography, and statistics, and has an advisory role. The entire process of information collection from the verbal autopsy, data quality checks, and assignment of ICD codes by physicians is done through a web-based application developed by the ATSU. The web application of Minerva has 3 platforms. The QA platform for quality assurance of verbal autopsy forms. Training platform provides an online training to the physicians regarding the assessment of cause of death based on verbal autopsy and guide them to provide most appropriate ICD-10 codes for the same. Online coding platform enables the physician coders to visit the verbal autopsy form allocated to them and provide the appropriate code. From the humble beginning, the Minerva network has grown rapidly and expanded to its present avatar. Today, the network is functioning smoothly. Causes of death have been assigned for over 1,25,000 deaths enumerated by the SRS between 2015 to 2017, thereby fulfilling an important public health function. With the constant support of the partners, we have set our long-term goal of each and every death being counted and cause of death ascertained, death within the hospital as well as outside. We strive to accomplish this by strengthening medical certification of cause of death with collaboration of medical institution, National Medical Council, as well as private hospitals. The other aspect is to increase the coverage of verbal autopsy to cover the entire non-hospital death in the country through expansion of SRS and including verbal autopsy as a part of the health system at all levels. Both these actions will provide us with substantiate data and help in making policies regarding health and its infrastructure. We take this opportunity to invite you to join in this public health initiative. Thank you.